Like if you want to add root 7 with 2 root 7. So what you will do here, this is your 1 root 7, this is your 2 root 7, it will become 3 root 7. Got it? So if you add them, you will get 3 root 7. But if you want to multiply these same number, what you will do, this outer number will be multiplied with this number, 2 ones are 2, and root 7 into root 7 will gives you 7. So 2 sevens are 14. Got it? Now, in this first I have added the same number, in this I have multiplied. Now let's subtract this same number. If I want to subtract this root 7 and 2 root 7, what you will do, this is 1 root 7 and the next one is 2 root 7. If you want to subtract this, what you will get, plus minus minus karenge minus and the sign will be of the greatest, that is minus 1 root 7, or you can say minus root 7 directly. Now if the same question I want to divide, what you will do, if you want to divide root 7 with 2 root 7, what you will do, root 7 will cancel out, your answer is 1 by 2. Got it? So I have shown you one example in which I have done all the 4 operations, added, multiplied and subtracted and divided. Got it? Any doubt? So I'm writing one question for you, you please solve it out. Like if you want to multiply root 2 plus 3 with root 2 minus 3, what you will do here? You can use the formula, that is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So firstly you will write the formula side by side in the bracket. This is your a plus b, a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square, that is root 2 square minus 3 square. Root 2 ka square means root 2 into root 2, that is 2. 3 square is 9. So answer will be minus 7. Got it? So if it is possible to apply the formula, you will apply. Otherwise, you can simply multiply. Let's see one more example. 2 plus root 3 into 7 plus root 5. You have to actually, we cannot apply the formula here. So you will simply multiply 2 with this bracket and root 3 with this complete bracket. Hope it is clear to you all. I have just opened the bracket. 2 will be multiplied with the second bracket, then root 3 with the second bracket. Multiply this, 2 sevens are 14, 2 into root 5 is 2 root 5, 7 into root 3, and the next one is root 15. Clear? Now, this is your constant. This is root 5, this is root 3, this is root 15. No one is a like term, so this will be your answer. Got it? One more example. These all examples we have already discussed, but I just want to give you quick recap for that, so that if you will have any doubt, I can clear your doubt. If you want to solve this, you can use the formula here. This is your a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you will put this is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2a into b. So root 2 square is 2, root 3 square is 3, and this is minus 2 root 6. You can't solve it out. This will be your, when you multiply this, it will become root 6. Now 2 plus 3 is 5, but you can't add or subtract this 2 because 2 is a part of root 6. It will not be solved with this 5. Got it? So here 5 will be, 2 plus 3 will give you 5 and 2 is multiplying with this. So you can't subtract 5 minus 2. You will not write 3 root 6 as answer. This will be your answer.